Xero Certified Advisor Practice Test 2026 Xero Certification Complete. All you need to know. Question 1. Which user role in Xero HQ allows a user to view and edit client details? Standard user, consultant, administrator, master administrator. Standard users can manage client records depending on permissions. Question 2. What is the purpose of Xero's two-step authentication, 2SA? To speed up login, to provide an extra layer of security, to recover lost passwords, to share accounts with others. MFA/2SA protects against unauthorized access. Question 3. Where can you switch on your public profile to contribute to the Xero community? Xero HQ, Xero Community Settings/Public Profile, Bank Reconciliation Screen, Invoices tab. Community profiles are managed in the Community Settings. Question 4. The Account Watchlist on the Xero dashboard allows you to pay bills faster, monitor specific accounts at a glance, track employee hours, run a full audit. The watchlist provides a quick view of key ledger accounts. Question 5. What happens when you turn off payroll alerts in your activity feed? Payroll is disabled. You no longer see status updates for payroll runs. Employees aren't paid. Taxes aren't calculated. Alerts just control the notifications in the activity feed. Question 6. To create a full client record in Xero HQ after being invited by a client, you should ignore the invite, accept the invite and add them as a practice client, email the client for their password, create a new organization manually. The invite process links the client to the practice HQ. Question 7. Which feature in Xero HQ allows you to see insights for your advisor directory listing? Reports tab, Explorer tab, Payroll tab, Settings tab. The Explorer tab provides insights into client data and directory metrics. Question 8. If you want to track different regions of a business, you should use multiple bank accounts, tracking categories, custom tax rates, user permissions. Tracking categories, up to 2 active, allow for segment reporting. Question 9. What does a lock icon next to an account in the chart of accounts indicate? The account is deleted. The account is a system account and cannot be deleted. The account is overdrawn. The account is private. System accounts, like accounts receivable, are locked for integrity. Question 10. How do you add an existing account to the dashboard watchlist? Delete and recreate it. Edit the account in the chart of accounts and check Show on Dashboard Watchlist. Drag and drop it. Email Xero support. This is a setting within the individual account details. Question 11. The Xero Advisor directory helps you find new employees, showcase your experience to attract potential clients, calculate sales tax, store internal documents. It is a marketing tool for certified partners. Question 12. Which Xero resource provides help and training articles? Xero Central, Xero HQ, Xero Bank Feeds, Xero Invoices. Xero Central is the comprehensive help and support portal. Question 13. What is the base currency of a Xero organization? The currency of the country where the business is located. Always US dollars. The currency of the first bank account added. Bitcoin. Base currency is set during organization setup. Question 14. Can you attach files to transactions in Xero? No. Yes, by clicking the file icon on the transaction screen. Only if you have a premium subscription. Only for bills, not invoices. Xero Files allows attachments to almost any transaction. Question 15. Bank rules in Xero are used to set bank interest rates, automatically suggest accounts/contact for recurring transactions, block certain vendors, calculate bank fees. Rules automate the reconciliation of frequent bank items. Question 16. Which report shows a snapshot of assets, liabilities, and equity? Profit and loss, balance sheet, statement of cash flows, aged receivables. The balance sheet shows the financial position at a point in time. Question 17. To invite a new user to Xero, you must give them your login. Go to Settings, Users, Invite User. Call Xero Support. Enter their name in a bill. User management is done in the Settings menu. Question 18. Find and Recode is a tool primarily for clients, advisors/accountants to fix bulk transaction errors, setting up bank feeds, printing invoices. Find and Recode is a powerful bulk editing tool for professionals. Question 19. A draft invoice means the money has been received. The invoice has been sent to the client. The invoice is created but not yet approved/sent. The invoice is void. Draft is the initial stage of transaction entry. Question 20. How often are bank feeds typically updated? Once a year, instantly or daily depending on the bank, every hour, only when you manually import. Most direct feeds update once every 24 hours.